The 4 stages of realization. A journey from identity to unity. The courage to question. Awakening to the greater whole. Oneness. The final realization. This is a video on daily life spirituality. And this video is brought to you by Rajesh Menon. A journey from identity to unity. Most of us live our lives fully immersed in our beliefs, identifying with our roles, names, and routines. We chase success, health, love, and recognition, believing these will bring fulfillment. This is the first stage of realization, where we see the world through conditioned lenses. Our sense of self is shaped by what we've been told, not what we've truly discovered. The courage to question. Then comes a subtle shift. We begin to question, why do I believe what I believe? Why does success feel hollow? This second stage is rare and powerful. It's a return to childlike curiosity, where we challenge inherited truths and peel away layers of societal conditioning. It's uncomfortable, but it's also the beginning of awakening. Awakening to the greater whole. In the third stage, awe replaces analysis. We begin to sense a force greater than ourselves, call it God, the universe, or consciousness. We notice the intelligence in nature, the synchronicities in life, the grace in the everyday. We realize we're not the center of the story. We're part of something vast, interconnected, and sacred. Oneness. The final realization. Eventually, the illusion of separation dissolves. We see others not as them, but as extensions of ourselves. The table, the tree, the stranger, all are part of the same whole. We shift from ego to essence, from control to surrender. Gratitude becomes our default state, and in that stillness, we realize, we were never alone, we were always one. For more details, please visit www.technospirituality.com and the social media handle at Rajesh30Menon. Thank you.